Good morning. Happy Saturday, actors. This is Actors Daily Bread. I'm like still trying to wake it up, and I don't know what possessed me to come on camera. You're getting good morning Saturday. I just finished teaching the final session to my agent attraction method class. So I was like, well, before I get deep into housework, let me pop on to the actors out here and say what's up. So this is Actors Daily Bread, where I teach you how to crush your auditions, book more work, and live a life that you love. I'm Christine Horn, professional working actress of 20 plus years, the creator of Hollywood Bound Actors and the Booking Magnet Academy. To all my replay watchers who watch this later, what's up? Replay watchers? No, I don't want to end the video. But I'm hitting buttons. So listen, I know, it's Saturday. You guys are out and about. A lot of you getting ready for holidays. But something that was on my mind as I was walking the dog this morning was thinking about, I'm gearing up to, on Monday, I'm going to be on this show called The Good Doctor on ABC. Check it out. And I was thinking about how quickly that happened. And how if I wasn't prepared, I would have missed out on an opportunity. And I just wanted to kind of impart that on you too. I never forget when I was years ago, it was like 2006. I was working at my 9 to 5 as a receptionist in Atlanta. And I remember making a declaration to myself that I wanted to travel more. And I was like, one day there's going to be something that I need to do, and I want to travel more. So I just want to get ready. And so I ended up filing my passport application like that week. And not knowing where I was going to go, I didn't have any money to really go out the country, but I was just like, I just got to be ready. Like, be ready so I don't have to get ready when the opportunity comes. And I kid you not, it might have been a month or so later that I got called to do The Lion King in 2006, and I needed my passport. And I've seen people who have missed out on opportunities, actors, because their passport, A, didn't have one, or B, was expired. And I just wanted to come on really quick and just remind you to keep those kind of things updated. Like even if you don't know how you're going to travel, you don't know where you're going, get a passport. Make sure your papers are in order. Make sure there's nothing that's going to prevent you from being able to travel. I know some people I know who have some issues with the court system, they can't travel. Like, know what all that is, because when it comes down to it, when you have an audition, if something shoots in Canada or in some other country, Australia, or just anywhere, one of the requirements in the audition is going to say must have a valid passport. Good morning, Charity. Right? It's going to say must have a valid passport. Will that passport? I think the last thing I read for was like passport cannot expire within 6 months. And so that's very important. And even as something as simple as when I got married, having to go through the process of changing my name and getting a whole new passport, all that takes time. And sister, all that takes time, and you don't want to miss out on a gig because, shoot, you forgot to do that paperwork, or you weren't thinking about a passport or traveling, and so you didn't do it, and then now it's too late because part of the movie they wanted you for shoots in South Africa, or London or anywhere else. So that's all I just wanted to impart on you today. Just stay ready. These little things that just feel like they're just needed for life, your regular life, are so necessary for the stuff that we do, because a lot of times things happen in an instant. There's no time. You audition on a Wednesday, they're trying to fly you out on Thursday morning or Friday morning. And so if you don't have that stuff in order, you can miss out. And I don't want you to miss out on anything. So listen, I just wanted to pop on and just send you some inspiration today. Happy Saturday. We're all getting ready. Many of us are getting ready for holidays here in the States. But, still don't lose focus. My favorite part about any holiday time when things slow down just a hair is that I have a chance to think and brainstorm and ask myself the hard question, which is, what do I want? That is the hardest question. It seems simple, and then you're like, that is what I seem like I should want, but do I want that? What role do I want to play next? What role do I want to create for myself? Where do I want to go? Like my birthday's coming up next month, and I'm like, where do I want to go? I don't know. Like sitting, taking the time to sit and allow yourself to visualize, to create stuff in your brain so that it can come to life in real life. You know, I sit here in my, we just moved, so, you know, I've got my vision board right there, right by my bed, and I stare at it when I wake up. First thing I do when I open my eyes, I see that, and it reminds me of my desires. And as I add stuff, I take stuff away, or I check things off my list. Just so stay inspired, stay mindful, and stay in tune to what it is you really, truly desire. All right? Have an amazing weekend. I'm going to get to doing some housework. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.